rosemary ginger snaps.
Yum.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, 1 bowl. Just
1 bowl, some sugar.
Okay, some sugar
into
some
butter, an
some
egg,
flour.
Oh, this is my kind of cookie.
Some ginger, rosemary, curry, clove.
Curries and cloves
And cinnamon, and cinnamon.
So this is gonna be like
some salt and some baking powder. I do most stuff in 1 bowl.
Salt,
Try to
baking powder. So this is gonna be a really herbaceous, like strong, like a cool, like almost like
molasses.
a gingerbread.
Oh,
yeah.
wait a minute.
There you go. There you go.
There you go. You got
Slow
it.
like molasses for a reason.
It's almost dough. 2 more seconds, it's dough. It's a sticky, tacky dough. It's done. Use a little scoop. 2 inches apart because they will spread.
And thank you for placing the Rachael Ray baking sheet predominantly in the middle of the You made the cookies, Ray.
And they will look
they're
like that.
beautiful. Want to try?
Of course I do. They're perfect.